everyone, and welcome to Guess the Word for Absolute Beginners. In this playlist, we will practice our understanding of simple Danish words and sentence structures. In each track, you will get 6 clues to help you guess and remember 6 different words. The correct words will be revealed at the end of each track. Make sure you have a pen and a piece of paper in front of you so that you can write down the words as you go along. At the end, you will have created your own little vocabulary list. Level-wise, this playlist is for students at the A1 level in the European Framework for Foreign Languages. In a Danish context, this would be students who have just started their first modules in preparation for the PD1 exam. Students in this group primarily need to practice producing language on their own. Challenges include basic inversion, jeg kommer i morgen kommer jeg. Verbs that combine with prepositions such as jeg tager tøj på, jeg køber ind, jeg lukker døren op, jeg tager hunden med. Listening challenges for students in this group include hearing the differences between vowels such as lus, løs, lys, len, land, læn, lars, los, lås. Catching soft consonants in words like bjerge, stege, lede, bade. If you think you belong to this group of students, these tracks are for you. I hope you enjoy playing Guess the Word for Absolute Beginners.